Hey Wealth Builders, welcome back to WealthSync, where your money works harder than you do. Think your credit score only matters for loans? Think again. It could make or break your first brokerage account. Let's dive into the secrets. Here's the deal. Brokers want to know you are trustworthy before handing over the keys to investing. Your credit score is their first clue. Secret number 1, pay those bills on time every time. Late payments are credit score kryptonite. Secret number 2, keep your credit card balance low. Maxing out cards, red flag. Secret number 3, check your credit report like a hawk. One mistake could tank your score and your investing dreams. Secret number 4, build credit before you invest. Even a simple secured card can prove your money smart. Bad credit? Prepare for higher fees or flat-out rejection. Good credit? Smooth sailing, lower costs, and maybe some perks. A solid credit score doesn't just open investing doors, it's your financial superpower. Want more insider money tips? Hit that subscribe button and let's level up your wealth game together.